I mean, they're tender, they're soft, they're just like butter. I just died and went to rib heaven. Hey, what's up everyone? This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. I'm in my hometown of Miami, and today I'm headed to Swine Southern Table and Bar, one of the best southern food restaurants in Miami. It's located here in Coral Gables. They have an incredible menu. I love their interior, and they have a full service bar. Swine means pig, so obviously we're going on a pork feast today. We're gonna have a handful of dishes. I can't wait to show you this restaurant. I've been in here so many times with my family, with my wife, with my parents. It's so good. We love coming here. We love eating ribs. We love eating grits. Let's go inside and eat some southern food.
How you doing? My name is Seth. I'm the executive chef here at Swine Southern Table and Bar, located in the heart of Coral Gables at 2415 Ponce de Leon Boulevard. What we do here at Swine is farm to table concept. We try to utilize local ingredients sourced from local purveyors to provide the guests with a great dining experience with fresh ingredients. We also have excellent craft cocktails, juices pureed daily. Here at Swine we have a lot of pork, obviously. We're a barbecue place. Here at Swine I recommend the shrimp and grits, so the ribs are our 14-hour smoked brisket.
So we're gonna start off with the Swine Burger. This burger won People's Choice at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival this year. This thing looks amazing. So it has a short rib, a brisket smoked pork blend, homemade dill pickle, thick cut house smoked bacon, lettuce, tomato, American cheese, and a swine special sauce. This burger is incredible. It's a big one. Oh, this is so mouthwatering right now. So juicy. The bacon gives a nice crunch, and the cheese is so yummy. The swine sauce, incredible. And how are these fries? It's not too spicy. It's a good amount of pepper there. I'm in love with the sauce.
Oh, the sauce is amazing.
I eat this burger every day. If you come here for the first time, you gotta try the Swine Burger. It's a must, but split it with somebody so you can try other things. Next, it's a pig tail macaroni and cheese with 5 cheeses with bacon, chives. Those are the best mac and cheese ever. I love the different, like the pigtail. I've never seen it. So let me get in here. Look at that, 5 different cheeses. Wow, delicious. I've never had a mac and cheese taste so good. And I love the pigtail pasta. This is a to die for mac and cheese. It's delicious. The mix of cheeses, great blend. Great blend. My wife is gonna die when she has this tonight. Just the whole mix of cheeses is just something else with a little crispy bacon. Here we have shrimp and grits. This is a typical southern dish, but with a huge twist on this.
Okay, so there we have a pork belly, a little bit of red onion, rosemary, thyme, shrimp of course, and it's placed atop of our Geechee Boy grits.
Shrimp and grits. My favorite things in the South are shrimp and grits and shrimp and toast with a pork belly. Oh, look at that. This looks so delicious and so colorful. Oh my God, these grits are incredible. Go-to dish. And the mix with the pork belly and the shrimp, this chef knows what he's doing. I think a great combination is the pork belly with the shrimp and then mixed in with these cheese grits. This plate is insane. This is like the best shrimp and grits. This is my favorite shrimp and grits ever. You know what? It's the grits. Like it's really something special in there. I don't know what you're doing in there, man, but if you love grits, you don't have to get the shrimp and grits to eat grits. You can just get the grits alone, jalapeno cheddar grits. Next up, we have the craft sausage board. So basically, right here we have chicken sausage, fennel sausage, and a swineroni, which is basically a play on pepperoni. I don't know where to start. And then here we have some mustard. I'm gonna go first with the chicken. So here we have spicy Tabasco mayo. Let's see. I'm all about Tabasco, so.
It's good.
The swineroni, what's that? I mean, it looks like a pepperoni, like a thick one, but it's obviously all pork. A Dijon mustard with IPA beer from J. Wakefield Brewery here in Wynwood mixed in. I've never had mustard like that before. I mean, I loved it. It was very different. It wasn't just like your regular Dijon mustard, you know? Next is the Fennel Sausage, and this is just pork. And I love this Tabasco sauce. So we're gonna try the Fennel Sausage with some kimchi. Nice. I love the unique flavors in the sauces, how the Tabasco and the J. Wakefield IPA, and the kimchi, which is different. I never really do kimchi. All right, so the next dish we have is pork belly.
Okay, so this here is a play on Elvis's favorite sandwich. It's a peanut butter, bacon, and the banana part of it is a banana caramel.
Pork belly with peanut butter. Peanut butter is so rich with the pork belly. I personally love peanut butter. I actually eat it every day with oatmeal. It is amazing. I can see how Elvis would put this into a sandwich. Ribs, pork ribs.
The Duroc rib is a specialty breed of pig known for its dark skin and hearty meat. They're smoked for 4 hours, rubbed down with our award-winning competition rub and with our house rib glaze.
And here we have the Southern Slaw, which has no mayo, so it's more like a, I guess, a healthier coleslaw. I love coleslaw. Yeah, nice. A little wet. You know, everywhere I go in the world, ribs is always with coleslaw. It's like perfect combination. These are Duroc ribs, like the chef said. It was smoked for 4 hours. Ooh. Anywhere I go where I know they have good ribs, I go all out. Southern states, Texas. Oh wow, just fall off the bone. I'm in love with this plate. Oh my God, they're so good. I mean, they're tender, they're soft, they're just like butter, you know? This is probably one of the best ribs I've had in Miami for sure. I mean, in a way, I mean, it's falling off the bone, but not like just completely falling off the bone. I just died and went to rib heaven. It is a very sweet rib, like very sweet.
We are farm fresh or seasonal. Our focus is on our heritage preparation and Southern hospitality. We normally, like tonight, we're serving supper. One of my favorite things as far as our appetizers is our burnt ends. I also love and I always recommend our suckling pig porchetta. And now for the drinks, I have to admit my signature cocktail, my favorite cocktail here is our Swine Old Fashioned. It's going to be a bacon infused rye with maple syrup and bitters. Very simple yet very effective and very delicious. If you want something that's a little bit more sweet or goes down like candy, I always recommend our blackberry bourbon lemonade that has an Edmund Williams bourbon with blackberries, lemon, mint. We top it off with soda water, so it's like a refreshing blackberry soda with alcohol that you don't really taste much, so watch out.
So I'm here with the chef and we're having their signature drink, the Swine Old Fashioned. It's a bacon infused rye.
Bacon infused rye.
I didn't know there was pork in this, but it's delicious.
It's what we do.
Dude, it's amazing actually. Hey, thank you again, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate everything.
Awesome. That was Swine's Southern Table and Bar. Incredible. If you guys come to Coral Gables, you have to come here. If you love barbecue, this is one of the best places in Miami for sure. My favorite things were, I gotta say, the king blew me away. It was like, pork belly mixed with peanut butter. That was a play on Elvis's favorite sandwich. Shrimp and grits, can't go wrong with the shrimp and grits. It was just incredible, out of this world, mouth-watering. The ribs were just like, you know, fall off the bone, delicious, sweet ribs. I could eat those ribs every day. They were so delicious. I feel like they put like a honey rub on them. So again, next time you're in Miami, you have to come to Swine Southern Table and Bar. It's probably the best barbecue spot in the city. I hope you love this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next adventure.